you put your 100 that you owe me basically in my account yet?
Allah,
Did you? You said you
where's the $100? What is that for?
I babysitted her for when you were gone.
Nag-babysit ba siya?
Yeah, I did. Or did you?
Ask Jelana first. Jelana, who babysit you while mommy gone?
See.
Oh, okay.
So when are you gonna put my 100 in my bank account?
Saan galing yung mga damit niyo? Pati si Grandma na eh.
Ang galing ata sa iyo to eh.
Ayun, nag-homer pala tayo.
Oh, birthday ni Marilla. Binigyan. Well, dapat ang pupunta, wala pala si Harper. At least available yun.
So when
Okay naman siya.
money in my bank?
Ha?
When are you gonna put my money in my bank account?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Kay Marilla? Oo.
Balik na, mother. Bye.
Ay, sa gift card sa Target, yeah. Pang back to school niya pala. Daddy, help Jelana, please. Please, say please. Oh, can you put Candy here for why her hands is broken? Is her hand broken, Jelana?
No.
What happened?
Who knew?
We need to put Candy for grandma. Yeah, we need to put Candy. Pupunta kayo sa Asian store? Pupunta ba kayo? Mag-transfer ako sa'yo? Ay, sabihin mo na lang kung magkano mag-transfer ako. Bigyan mo ako, pag mag-shopping kayo, bigyan mo na mag-transfer na lang ako after. May bibiling ka ba sa Lucky Me? Ewan ko. Meron pa ba tayong mga pansit canton? Pansit canton, meron pa?
Oh, baby, take one candy and give it back. You don't want to eat?
Wala na, ewan ko, ano bang wala na ba tayo? Ikaw ba may bibiling ka?
Jelana,
Kung may bibiling ka,
I'll eat one. Let me have one.
Jelana, let me see your candy. Oh, what is that? Let me show mommy. Oh, she got what?
Please.
What is that, honey? Can I look at it? Oh, happy cherries. Yummy.
I'm never gonna get a pink burrito. You know who's gonna give me burrito?
Anybody want to have a cherry?
Me.
No, you want to have a cherry?
Oh, she doesn't want it. I was running for that. Too bad. You get one. Too bad. There it goes.
Oh, ikot na. Your baby need to go now. Oh, she need to go. See, why you didn't? Oh, she's really nice, Jelana. Why don't you play with her? She's nice. Yeah, see? And you got nice, oh, she can, yep. You have to talk. Hi, Chelsea. How are you, Chelsea?
Oh,
Oh, let's go swimming together, Chelsea. Yay. Thank you.
we fun.
Okay, yeah. Oh, she can drive. Can I learn to drive?
Me?
Yeah, she need to drive.
Okay. So I'll get the blue one. I'll get the blue one.